Welcome to this tax topics follow-up video. I shared a video several weeks ago about S Corps and LLCs. One of the viewers had a follow-up question that I want to address. And thank you, Stephen Lucas, for such a great question. The question was about generating income with a DBA under your LLC. And before we dive in, let me say that this video is for informational purposes only. It's not intended to be legal or accounting or tax advice. Consult a professional for any of the aforementioned advice or needs. So now let's break this down. When your LLC creates a DBA or doing business as, you're essentially adding a new business name to your existing legal entity. It's typically done for branding or marketing purposes. The key thing that you want to remember is that a DBA isn't a separate entity. It's still tied to your LLC. So if you generate income under that DBA, that income flows through the LLC and is taxed the same way as income earned under the LLC's original name. But there are some important implications to consider. First is tax reporting. As we said, the DBA's income is reported on the LLC's tax return, and there's no separate filing just for the DBA. Your liability protection that is offered by your LLC still applies even if the income is earned under the DBA. And then you have your accounting or your bookkeeping practices. You want to keep this clean, and I recommend using separate bank accounts and bookkeeping for each DBA. Although that income still flows to the LLC, it helps to make tracking your income and expenses easier, especially if you're pursuing different types of business under that LLC umbrella. You want to think of it as separate profit centers. And it's also good to, it also provides good data for decision making when you want to evaluate the profitability of the different revenue streams. And then the last thing you want to consider are the state and local requirements. Some states require additional filing or fees for DBAs, so you don't want to skip that step. Whether your DBA is under an LLC that's taxed on your personal tax return, or if it's an S corporation, the same rules apply. Now, let me know in the comments if you have any more questions. Keep them coming. I love helping you all navigate these complexities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building a financially sound business.